This is a systolic single beam spectrophotometer 106 configuration. There are the following parts is consist with this instrument, that is a display system which contains a LCD display and three blue keys. In these three blue keys, first key is a reference key, second key is mode key, and besides this there are a small displays which represent percentage of transmission and absorbance. After that, these purple color buttons are useful to set the concentration and the constant K. The red color button is enter button. At the bottom of the instrument, on the left side, there is a knob used to adjust sample port and reference port. Here, right side, there is on off key. At the top of the instrument, there is a knob which is useful to adjust the wavelength of the instrument. And this is sample or reference port. By keeping, this is provided with quartz cuvettes, or the quartz cuvettes can be replaced by glass cuvettes. This is about the instrument. The range of the instrument is from 340 nanometers to 960 nanometers. In between this range, we can determine. So when you go through the sample or reference port, there is a wheel which is given by the range of filters. By rotating this wheel, we can adjust the filter for desired value. This is useful to determine pesticides in environmental samples and chlorophyll like pigments present in the plant leaves and pharmaceutical analysis. Now let us calibrate the instrument by using the solvent water as reference substance. After setting the wavelength as 500 nanometers, the glass cuvette provided with the instrument having transparent part at one side, non-transparent part at another side. After filling this cuvette with the water, it is to be kept in the port provided for sample as well as reference. Here, let us keep this glass cuvette into the port by keeping the transparent side towards the radiation. And then press reference key. After pressing reference key, there would be 0 on the display, and then we have to keep the filter in dark mode. and again press reference key. After getting a reference on the display, you go through the filter and then adjust the filter to 385 to 630. The range of the suitable is this range, and then again you have to press reference key. Then calibration will start. Here this is 100. This is transmittance of the reference substance. Being the concentration of the reference substance is 0, the transmittance is 100. Then let us check the absorbance of the instrument. 0 is the absorbance. Being concentration of the solution is 0, the absorbance are also 0. Sample cuvette, and then it has to keep carefully in the port. So here also the transparent side of the cuvette is to be in the direction of radiation. So let us read the transmittance. Here, absorbance of the unknown solution is 1.230. By changing the mode, we can get the percentage of transmittance.